In today's video, I am going to teach you how to resubscribe someone in Constant Contact email. To begin, log into your Constant Contact account. Make sure you are using an account that has access to manage contacts, since you will need to open the person's contact record and update their subscription status. Once you are signed in and on the main dashboard, you can move to the Contacts area. At the top of the screen, click Contacts and then go to Lists. This section gives you access to your stored contact information and helps you sort people by different categories and statuses. After that page opens, select the Contacts tab. This is important because you want to work with individual contact records, not just the list view by itself. Next, look for the filter options and set the contact status to unsubscribed. This will narrow the view so you only see contacts who have previously unsubscribed from your emails. Filtering first makes the search much easier, especially if you have a large contact database. Once the unsubscribed contacts are showing, use the search bar to find the specific contact you want to resubscribe. Type in the person's identifying details as needed and wait for the correct record to appear in the results. Be careful to open the correct contact so that you do not update the wrong person by mistake. When you find the contact, click the contact's name to open their details. This will take you into the full contact profile, where you can see their current status and available actions. Inside this contact record, look for the Resubscribe button and click it. At this point, Constant Contact will ask you to confirm that you have permission to resubscribe this person. This is an important part of email compliance. You should only continue if the contact has clearly given you permission to receive emails from you again. Check the confirmation box to acknowledge that permission has been granted. Then click Resubscribe to complete the process. Once you do that, the contact will be added back as an active subscriber, and you can include them in future email communications according to your normal sending practices. If you want to avoid issues later, it is a good idea to make sure permission was documented before making this change. That helps keep your contact list clean and compliant. That covers everything you need to know.